control, which is what I'm engaging now, but on paper, this cannot win.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! That was 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. The Jag is just a speck! It's funny, the Jag is surprisingly fast because it's a Jag. This is surprisingly fast because it is surprisingly fast. That was not a win, that was a demolition. I don't think I've ever been in a car that has launched itself quite like that. And don't think the Jag can get away in the corners either. Here it is now, coming through the follow-through as fast as it can. That's 84.8 miles an hour. And here's the Nissan. Same corner, same conditions, same driver. That's 93.3 miles an hour. So it's 8.5 miles an hour faster. And that explains why at the Nürburgring, where there are 147 corners, the Jag takes 9 minutes to do a lap, while the Nissan can get round in 7 minutes and 24 seconds. That's faster than almost anything else with a tax disc. This is an incredible car. The new gearbox is spectacularly good. The engine, it's not an engine, it's just a bomb. The turning is crisp and fantastic. And if you have the chassis and the gearbox and the traction control